Warriors and students, here I am with a new video relating to salary, and in this video we are going to discuss salary computation with HRA allowance. Okay, when HRA is also given, how to compute, and some of the students are having doubt regarding what is DA and what is DP, what is dearness allowance, and what is dearness pay. Dearness pay is nothing but DA, which is enters for retirement benefits, is nothing but dearness pay. So let us discuss these points clearly in this video. So here one question is there. Mrs. Kalpana Chawla. Let us take read. Mrs. Kalpana Chawla, resident, an employee of central government. She is employee in central government in Bengaluru. Submit the following information. Okay, so in this question you are having compute her net salary for the assessment year 22-23 ignoring the alternate regime under section 115 BAC. ये न्यू टैक्स रिजीम है, उसको इग्नोर करते हुए ओल्ड सिस्टम में टैक्स कैलकुलेट करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं. वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट टैक्स अंडर ओल्ड सिस्टम इटसेल्फ बाय इग्नोरिंग द न्यू सिस्टम. ఓకే, సో కొత్త పద్ధతి యాదమ్మ పాత దాని ప్రకారమే చేయమంటున్నారు. హెచ్ఆర్ఏ బేసిక్ పే, హియర్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ అలవెన్స్ ఆల్సో దేర్, సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఎంప్లాయీ. So for government employees entertainment allowance will be allowed as deduction. So very good problem with all tricky things. Basic salary 10,000 per month. This is your comes as a salary. DA 30% of basics, means whatever your basic salary is there, 40,000 into 12 months, it will be 4,80,000. Out of this 30% is DA. Into 30% if you do, you will get DA. Out of that 60% enters for retirement benefit. Not entire basic DA will be allowed as retirement benefit. Only 60% of this after calculating this. Okay, for the calculation of HRA we will use that one. HRA 3,000 per month. So we need to do a working note for first calculating DA, another calculation HRA. Annual bonus per annum 15,000 is bonus. Entertainment allowance 15,000 is received. First it will be included in the allowances. Later entertainment allowance given will be, entertainment allowance first will be included in the allowances. Next it will be allowed as deduction under section 16 subsection 2. So be careful with this. Then rent paid by Kalpana is 72,000 per annum. Since assessee Kalpana Chawla is paying the rent, HRA exemption she can get, but she is living in Bengaluru. HRA exemption will be whichever is less actual HRA received, HRA जो उन्होंने रिसीव करे वो, और rent paid minus 10% of salary at several places, or 40% of salary at several places. So let us do the calculation regarding to it and compute net salary they said. So we need to calculate net salary also. Very good question. Let us do the one by one everything. First let us do the calculations notes. Note 1, calculation of dearness allowance. See, total out of total 4,80,000 basic pay, that is 40,000 into 40,000 into, if you do 12, it will become how much? 4,80,000. So out of 4,80,000, 30% of this 30% is your 1,44,000. Okay, out of this 60% enters for retirement benefits. So enters for retirement benefit is how much? 1,44,000 into 60%. I repeat once again, total basic pay is 4,80,000 per annum. Out of the 30%, if you do, you are going to get 1,44,000. Out of 1,44,000, 60% is enters for retirement benefit. So enters into retirement benefits 86,400. Does not enter into retirement benefit, remaining 40%, 1,44,000 into 40%, 57,600. So total DA is 1,44,000. Next calculation is relating to ascertainment of taxable HRA. Basic salary 4,80,000. DA, okay, enters into retirement benefit 1,44,000 into 60%. This amount 86,400. So salary at several places. Salary for the purpose of HRA calculation will be 5,66,400. Actually salary meaning क्या है बोले तो, for HRA purpose salary is equals to basic pay plus DA enters for retirement benefit plus commission percentage fixed on turnover. But this commission in this question is not there, so till here only we have taken. Only these two have been taken. DA enters for retirement benefits. Okay, so total it is how much? 5,66,400. Calculation of exempted amount of HRA. 40% of 5,66,400, 2,26,560. Rent paid minus 10% of salary. Rent paid by Kalpana given 72,000. 10% of salary. Okay, so 72,000 minus 56,640. If you deduct, you are going to get 15,360, right? Then actual HRA received 3,500 into 12 months, 42,000. So exempted HRA is how much? Least of the following is allowed as exemption. So HRA exemption under section 10 subsection 13A, if you want to write, you can write, is 15,360, because this one only least. Calculation of taxable HRA. Actual HRA received minus exemption. 42,000 minus 13,360, sorry, 15,360, sorry. HRA received is 42,000 minus 15,360 exempted, remaining 26,640 will be taxable HRA, right? So let us go to the main format relating to computation of income from house property. Okay, so let us see one by one relating to it. So computation of net salary of Kalpana Chawla for the previous year assessment year. Okay, status category resident government employee. Salary, basic salary 40,000 into 12 months, 4,80,000. Bonus 15,000. Entertainment allowance, okay, 15,000. Dearness allowance, okay, dearness allowance 30% of basic pay, that is 4,80,000 into 30%, 1,44,000. House rental allowance, note number 2, 26,640. Just now we have calculated. So gross salary is equals to 6,80,000 80,640. Deduction under section 16(1) under section 16. Under that, first deduction is what? First deduction we will be having relating to salary is standard deduction under section 10 subsection 1a, 50,000 or amount of gross salary whichever is less. So gross salary is 6,80,640 or 50,000. Which one is less? 50,000 is less. Another deduction under section subsection 2, list of the following entertainment allowance received by government employees. Maximum limit 5,000 per annum, 1/5 of basic pay or 20% of basic salary. So 4,80,000 into basic 96,000 or 5,000 or actual HRA received 15,000. Which one is less out of these three? 5,000 is less, so 5,000 will be allowed as deduction under section 16 subsection 2. So total deduction under section 16 will be 55,000. From 6,80,640, if you deduct 50,000, net income from salary is 6,25,640. Hope you have understood each and everything here. तो एक वीडियो पे लाइक बनता है, लाइक कर दो और ये वीडियो सब तक पहुंचा दो. ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, వీడియో అందరికీ పంపించండి. ఈవెన్ యూ కెన్ హ్యావ్ మై క్లాసెస్ directly as a live session. If you want for that, please subscribe the channel. We need 1,000 subscribers at least for going live classes. So सीखते रहो, क्योंकि सीखना बन तो जीतना बन. जय हिंद.